So I don't know about you, but when I've pushed hard all day to get a job done, it's quite demoralising to then realise that I've got maybe an hour's worth of clean-up left, because that is how long it can take sometimes, unless you just fling everything in the van and then have more to do back at the workshop. So I've been thinking about this, and it's one of those things where I've realised I just got to knuckle down and do it. And what I say to myself in my head is everything counts. So every little thing that I put away counts. And if I keep saying that to myself, then I feel like I'm getting somewhere. The other thing I started doing is saying, well, I'll do the big things first. So let's see some results first. Let's get the MFT table out the way first. Let's get the big bag of DeWalt tools out the way first, the ladder, and just get some progress going. So I think you've got to find ways to motivate yourself, because we're not machines, are we? We've got to just still push through even when we're tired. And you've got to find what works for you. So those are just the little things that work for me. Shortest video ever, I think, from me.